Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I would like to show you the way how to remove an object from the video by Capcut application. So I already have the video on my Capcut project and I would like to try to remove this. I don't know what is this. I think it's sound system or something. So I would like to try to remove this from the video, and let's just try to do that. So you just need to go click the clip, and right after that you just need to slide these features into the left side until you found the duplicates features. And whenever you find the duplicate, go click the duplicate here and make the duplicate files become an overlay section. And now you just need to drag this overlay part into the beginning of the clip so that they will have the same duration as well as the same positions. And right after that, now you just need to go click the overlay clip and take a look on this button features again, slide into the left side, and let's find a mask features or mask tools. My bad. Here we go, just go click the mask. Now just need to choose either you want to use the circles or rectangle, but today I will like to use this rectangle. And now we just need to start adjusting the square into the specific position. I will suggest you to have the closest as possible with the object, adjusting it. This is quite challenging since we do it with phone, so it will be a little bit difficult to adjusting the positions. So yeah, let me focus for a while. Okay, almost there. I got it. So after you're done, now you just need to go click this checklist button, and right after that you just need to drag the point with two of your finger, pinch into the other side. Then you just need to cover the area that you want to remove. Hopefully that's gonna work. You can also adjust in the positions too. Okay, almost there. It's quite tricky, guys, so make sure that you're patient to do this. And here we go. So whenever you're done, you just need to go click random part and you're done. So that is the way, guys, how to remove an object on the video with a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So thank you for watching, and I will like to see you for the next tutorial.